Bawal nga sa akin yung salad eh. Puro, sayote. Ano,
It's a little
salad.
bit heavy.
Pipino, hindi
And
naman.
big is we
Si
got.
mami ko salad.
So let's it got some party cards.
Pareho lang ang laman niya yung itago niyo yung bag niyo ganda ng bag. Si Mickey Blue ayaw mo pumila. Pinuputok, alak-alaking balon. Tapos may naman maliit na balon na ganyan. Si Cassie hindi nakakuha, si Chloe nakakuha. Pagputok ng balon, makikita mo kung anong price mo. Ito ng
Ako, nawawala yung sa akin eh. Wala ako nakuha eh.
Jello. Got both.
Bigyan mo na kay Mickey yung bola na yun.
No.
Inaakay na si ano eh. Iba na yung taba ng mukha, inaakay na si Papa.
Chocolate or marshmallows.
Eh, hinihintay na lang mo.
What is this? What is this? Chloe. I got many. Chloe.
Ito, hindi na gamit, hindi na gamit na kapos. Tama na yung chocolate kasi, yung taglaw yung dadami ko na yung ganun na cupcake na hindi yung maliliit at dami dami. Na kailangan sa problema sa mukha.
Hindi siya belakang ni tatay.
So let's eat Paula. Ooh, nice texture. Wait for a minute. Let's eat Paula. Okay, crunch it. Wait. Nice texture.
Oh my gosh. Bigger.
One, two, three.
I'm giving 10.
Yeah, 10. And for shout out, thanks for Hair Salon Kid Goodies for making our hair today. Yeah, it's a little bit color and look at mine.
So, me.
No!
There's glitters.
It's very cool. And thanks for watching. Bye!